If you've made a design in Cricut Design Space, you've probably realised that you can't download it directly from Cricut Design Space onto your PC. So say you've designed the design in Cricut Design Space and you want to cut it on the Cricut, great. But then you want to use it for something else, upload it to Canva or Photopea, to do sublimation or make cards or whatever you want to do, whichever project. There is a way to do it. And I'm going to show you in this video, step by step, how we can do that. Let's get started in Cricut Design Space. So we're in Cricut Design Space and you've made your design, but you want to download it and use it in another program like Canva or Photoshop, but you don't know how to download it. Okay, now I found a bit of a workaround here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to select our whole design and we want to flatten it. And that just gets rid of the black outline that's there when it's a cut file. Okay, so we want to save this, and I'm going to save this as flattened. Okay, so that's saved. Now go to My Stuff and the file that you've just saved, it needs to be on Save for Offline. So if that's not on, you need to turn it on like that. Okay. Now we want to go to our files here and we want to go down to where you see this PC. You want to click on that and then you want to click on the C disk, which is the local disk. Go to Users and you want to click on your profile that you've saved it on, and that brings up all these different files here. But the one we want .cricut-design-space. Want to click on that one. Go to Local Data, and then this one here with all the numbers, and then Canvas. And the most recent one should be at the bottom here. But just check that that's the most recent one. Click on that, and then Preview. And that brings up our design. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to right click on that and we want to save as. We want to save it in our downloads folder here. So I'll save this as, I'll just save it as Gingerbread Bakery. There we go. So if we go along to our downloads folder, here it is here. But if you hover over it, it'll tell you that the dimensions are only 600 by 600 pixels, which isn't very big at all. So the quality won't be great. So what we can do now is we can open Inkscape, which is a free app. And then we find it here, Gingerbread Bakery, and we open that within Inkscape. Okay, and that brings our design up. So what the first thing you want to do is you want to click on your design. So these little arrows go all around your design. Okay, and then we want to go on the top here where it says Path. Click on Path, and then we want to choose Trace Bitmap. Okay. If your image is just a black and white image, you won't need to do this step, but if it's multiple colors, go to multicolor here, next to single scan, and then multicolor. And then on the drop down here, we want to choose colors. Okay. And you can change the amount of colors here. So I'm going to choose, I think there's 3 colors. 3 colors there, then click Apply. And then we want to go at the top here and click on Layers, which is 3 lines on top of each other. And where it says Image, and then underneath that there's G2, then this one here at the bottom, Image 1, we can just delete that one. Now where it says G2, I'm going to press on the drop down there, and that'll bring up 3 different paths. So path 1 is the green, path 2 is the green, path 3 is the red, and path 4 I think is the white background, so we can just get rid of that one there. Okay, and that's that done. So we can go to File, Save As, and you want to save it as Inkscape SVG. Okay, save that. Now that's saved to our download folder. So now we want to open Canva and open a new design, and then you want to go to your download folder, and the SVG that you've just downloaded we're going to upload to Canva. You can just drag it over like I did there, go to upload files and find it in your downloads folder. Once that's uploaded, you can bring it over here, and there we have it in Canva. And you can change the colors to suit, so any colors you want, like that. If you wanted to make that a nice rich red color, like that. And that's how you do it. That's how you grab an image from Cricut Design Space and get it into another program like Canva or Photoshop, whatever you want. If you don't have Inkscape or you don't want to download the app, even though it's absolutely free, there's another way that you can turn a PNG into an SVG. And if you go to www.png to svg.com, I'll pop it up on the screen for you, and that will work too. But in my opinion, it isn't the bestest of quality. The edges aren't as smooth as they would be in Inkscape, but that is an option for you. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, you can give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. See you in the next video.